Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to stop App Store asking password on iPhone while have you download the app from App Store. So you have, first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have open the app store, then I will see in my iPhone. You have download any app on your iPhone. iPhone will given a password. My usage in not given, I will disable the setting. You have any app on, you have download on iPhone, so then you have any games, or then you have search from any games you have download on your iPhone. So then you have get, then while iPhone you have given a password. My iPhone is available. I will setting to an require password is disabled. My iPhone is not given, is a given touch ID. So how to fix the touch ID while you have download the app on iPhone from App Store? So then you have wait a few seconds, then you have download the app from App Store. So then he is taking you have password you have not given from here. So how to fix? Wait a few seconds, then he's given touch id to install. So then how to fix it? Then you have download the app on iPhone, he's given a touch ID. So you have open the setting, and then you have click on App Store ID, you have click on video purchase password settings. So you have then require password is turn off. I have already turned off, then we must be turned off. Then he is turned on, and he automatically given a password. Then you have while download a app from App Store. And then seconds, you have touch ID and passcode. You have given enter a passcode iPhone. Then you have iTunes and App Store turn on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.